Here on Ballhead Island's Dune Ridge is Bella Vista, a home where interior design and exterior views are extraordinary. This professionally decorated home offers pleasing palettes of color, elegant furnishings, and comfortable living areas. Offering impressive ocean views, the large living area features 2 great rooms, a dining room, and gourmet kitchen, all open to an outside covered porch. 2 bedrooms are located on the first floor and 4 bedrooms on the second. All the bedrooms offer direct access to bathrooms. The outdoor grilling area provides an additional dining option and offers views of the maritime forest. A unique feature of Bella Vista is the observation deck, which sits above the tree line and provides beautiful views of the Atlantic Ocean. This luxurious property has everything needed to make your vacation an experience of a lifetime. Truly a beautiful home. For more information or to book online, visit ballheadisland.com, Bella Vista.